The Village app makes it easy for you to get the expert guidance that you need. Simply add details about your children. Purchase your session tokens. Select the challenge that you want to discuss. Pick an expert from the list. Then pick a date and time that works for you. Tapping on an expert, either from the returned list or from your expert list, will show you their full profile. You can see and manage your upcoming sessions and session history in the Session tab. Tapping on a session will let you see the details and any notes from your expert. You can create profiles for the other caregivers in your child's life so they can join sessions from their own device. For more information, watch our complete instructional video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@villagecc.com. Thank you and welcome to Village.